bike and get near a log roll. A log roll is getting there later. Hey, look at that. Compaction test is good, though, I guarantee it.